How to stop lucid dreaming nightmares. If you're struggling with nightmares in your lucid dreams and want to know how to stop them, you're in the right place. Let's break down some practical tips to help you have more peaceful and controlled dreams. First, it's important to understand that lucid nightmares, although scary, are quite rare. However, there are several habits and techniques you can adopt to minimize their occurrence. One of the most effective ways to prevent nightmares is to meditate before bed. Meditation helps clear your mind and release any tension you might have accumulated during the day. This can significantly reduce the likelihood of having a nightmare because you'll be falling asleep with a calmer mind. Another useful technique is doing reality checks. Reality checks involve testing whether you're in a dream or not, usually by performing simple actions like pinching yourself or checking your reflection. Doing these checks regularly during the day can train your mind to do them in your dreams as well. If you find yourself in a scary dream, you'll be more likely to realize it's just a dream and take control of it. Sleeping habits also play a crucial role. Avoid staying up late and ensure you get enough sleep each night. Sleep deprivation is linked to nightmares, so maintaining a regular sleep schedule is essential. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your body's internal clock. What you eat before bedtime can also affect your dreams. Eating too much food before sleep can increase your metabolism, making your brain more active and potentially leading to nightmares. So it's a good idea to eat a light meal or snack if you need to eat something before bed. Planning before entering a lucid dream can also help. Having a clear intention of what you want to achieve in your lucid dream can prevent it from turning into a nightmare. This means setting a goal for your dream, whether it's to fly, explore a new place, or simply to stay calm and in control. If you're experiencing recurring nightmares, lucid dreaming, combined with therapies like imagery rehearsal therapy, IRT, and cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can be very helpful. These therapies involve reimagining the nightmare with a more pleasant outcome, which can help you gain control over your dreams and reduce the stress associated with nightmares. Finally, changing your sleeping position can make a difference. Some people find that sleeping on their side instead of their back reduces the likelihood of having lucid dreams, including nightmares. Additionally, avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bedtime can help stabilize your sleep pattern and reduce the frequency of lucid dreams. By incorporating these tips into your daily and bedtime routines, you can significantly reduce the risk of having nightmares in your lucid dreams and enjoy more peaceful and controlled dreaming experiences.